Hey friends! Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be talking about something that's really important. Something that could make or break your videos in YouTube. I'm talking about thumbnails. Hey, welcome back. Thanks for checking out my videos. If this is your first time here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like I said earlier, today we will be talking about thumbnails. Why is it so important? What it's all about and how to make one. But before I share that to you, I want to ask you these two questions. Which one would you click? Is it this one? Or is it this one? And which one do you often read? Is it this one? Or is it this one? According to YouTube researchers, 70% of YouTube subscribers will check on this rather than this one when browsing the videos. Knowing this information, we have now competitive advantage on how to market our content. And remember this, in making a YouTube content, title and thumbnail is everything. Because no matter how great is your content, how great is your videos, without a great thumbnail and the title, nobody will watch your videos. Now here are the 3 essential things that you need to know about thumbnails. Number 1, it's color. Number 2, clickbait. Number 3 is the title. No, it's not the title that you put in the description. It's the title that you put inside the thumbnail. Alright, we're back in my computer. Now let me show you some examples of great thumbnails coming from these amazing YouTube creators. Let's start off with Jim Kwik. He's a brain and memory coach. He has 567,000 subscribers. Amazing. So let me go ahead and show you some of his videos. That's his content. I want to show you his old videos, how he started, starting from the oldest. So you see the first 10 videos that he has, this was way back 7 years ago. That's 2014. He doesn't have any design on his thumbnail. You see the views, the first one is 9,000, 3,000, 14,000, and then he suddenly changed the way he made his thumbnail just 3 years ago. That's like 2018. And look at the effectivity of that change from averaging like, let's say 10,000, it became 300, 185, 124, 200,000 views. Let's look at his newest videos. So here's his newest videos. Look at that design. And as you can see in his design, he is consistent in using his color palette, which is blue. Now looking at that example, I want to show you this one. In this website, it shows you the psychology behind marketing. Now his color palette again is blue. Let me show you the meaning of blue in marketing. So you can see the examples here, the companies that uses the color blue scheme, which is Facebook, Ford, PayPal, Samsung, Visa, Nokia. And here's the meaning of color blue in psychology. So it's trust, loyalty, dependability, logic, sincerity, and security. So it makes sense because Jim's channel is all about brain and memory coaching, which you need portray wisdom, dependability, and trust. So let's go to another channel. Let me show you another example. So this one is Value Attainment by Pat David. He has 2.8 million subscribers. This is all about, as you can see here, the #1 channel for entrepreneurs. So let's see his first videos. Sort by oldest. Alright. So as you can see, his first video doesn't really have any design in his thumbnail. Let's look at his newest videos now. Alright. And his common color palette would be red. So let's check out what's the meaning of red in marketing. Alright, red. Here, it's about power, passion, energy, fearlessness, and excitement. And it's really important for his channel because he's running a channel for business. So you need to portray power, passion, and energy. Grinding, business, entrepreneurship. It's really important for his channel. So let's go back to his channel. Let's look at his best videos, most popular. This one has 11 million views. And what I want you to see is how he used clickbait. So clickbait doesn't really mean that you're trying to lie to make people click your thumbnail or your video, but it's the design. Look at this one. This video was made 3 years ago, 2018. So meaning it was a time when Netflix released their wonderful, amazing movie called Narcos. So Narcos is about gangsters, about mafia, and it ended back in 2017. Right after that, he made this video January of 2018, and you could see here in his thumbnail he used this one, that one. And if you know the book of Marco Puzo, which is Godfather, that's the best movie of all time. So it's an iconic image, and he used that image in his thumbnail so people would see that this video, it's all about gangsters, it's all about mafias, it's all about this highest paid mafia boss and his life back then when he was still a criminal. So if you're interested about those kind of videos, I'm gonna put the link down below in the description. Just click on it and watch this amazing video. So back in 2018, if you're a person who's like searching about mafias, about gangsters, then you might see this in the search result because it's all about that. If you see that thumbnail with that icon like in The Godfather, you might be interested about it. Even if you don't know what this channel is all about, you might click on that video. So that's how effective this video is. Look at that, 11 million views. Amazing. So let's look at the last example. So this is Hailey Dasovich. She's a travel vlogger. She has 597,000 subscribers. So if you look at her thumbnails, what pops up is color yellow. And if we look at the psychology of color yellow in marketing, so it's all about optimism, warmth, happiness, and all these good things. And she really needs that in her vlogs, because if you're doing travel shows, you need to inspire people, you need to make people happy. That way they would subscribe and like your videos. But what I want you to look at is how she makes the title in the thumbnail. Let me show you this one. This is a great example of titling inside the thumbnail. The title in the description is "I trained like a boxer legend Manny Pacquiao for a week." But in her thumbnail, what you see is Dasovich versus Pacquiao. So if you're the one who's looking at the thumbnail and you're not reading the description, you'll be interested by this, like a girl fighting a man, or a well-renowned fighter fighting Dasovich. Who is Dasovich? Maybe she's a UFC fighter, you know, maybe what's this all about? So you might click on that, and then that's it, you're hooked. And maybe if you like the video, you might click on another video of her, and then if you like her style, maybe you might subscribe to her channel and all those good stuff. So what I'm trying to say here is that thumbnails, they're really important. Even the greatest vloggers, even the greatest YouTuber uses it to hook people in clicking their videos. So again, 3 things that makes an effective thumbnail. Number 1 is color. Number 2 is the clickbait. Number 3 is the title. Congratulations, you know now how to make an effective thumbnail. Please stay tuned to my channel, and we will be talking about the second most important thing about making videos, and that is the content. So make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell to make sure that I could notify you, that we could notify you about our new videos. Alright, that's it for me this week. Thank you for watching my video, friends. See you next time.